1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, and 14. Power seats for driver is 14 ways. For the passenger, there's 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, 6. I'm going to show you how to set the memory seat for the driver side. Yes, only the driver side. Go to the settings. Vehicle settings. Seats. Seat adjustment. You can either adjust over here or at the switches at the seat there. For the memory, there's no memory for the lumbar supports. Once you set the position that you want, just press and hold. For example, I'm going to set to position 1. Just press it and hold it. Save successfully. So, to recall back the position that you already set, just go back to your settings, vehicle, seat adjustment, just press position 1. That's simple. And one more thing, the memory function is not only for the seats, it's for the side mirror as well. Okay? Yes, very simple but useful. Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, how to connect with it? Not on the Sealion 7, it's on the Auto 3. You can check my video here. Thank you.